Now we're starting with question number 4. In question number 4 it is told ABCD is a quadrilateral. So we will make one quadrilateral. We have made a quadrilateral. It can be of any shape. So we have made this quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So this is our quadrilateral. Then is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. What we need in the answer? That AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. This we want to prove. What we have to do? We want to prove this one. Now here we are seeing AB, this BC, this CD and this DA, and here what AC. So see, AC is not joined. Therefore we need the AC also. So what we will do? We will join the AC. Here they have told BD. So this is the BD. BD is also not joined. So see, when we are joining the AC, what we are having? These two triangles we are having. So we will take this two triangle, and then when we are joining the BD, what we are having? This two triangle we are having. So we have to take this all the four triangle. We have joined this AC and BD. Now we are solving our answer. So what we will do? We will apply the inequality property. So using triangle inequality property. So what is the inequality property? When we are adding the two sides of a triangle, it is always greater than the third side. So here we are taking the triangle. So in triangle, which triangle we are taking? We are taking first this one, A, B, C. So it is making a triangle. We are taking this triangle. We are taking this triangle A, B, C. So in triangle A, B, C. So what we need in this triangle ABC? We are seeing here. See, after greater than we need AC and BD. So here what we will do? We will add the two side. We will apply this property. What you will do? We will add two side. AB plus BC is greater than third side. So AB plus BC is greater than third side. And what are the two options we are having? We can add AB plus AC is greater than BC. So when we will add this two side AB and AC, what we will get? Greater than this BC. Or we can add this BC and AC. What we will get? AB we will get. So BC plus AC, what we will get? AB. So when we will add this two side, it will be greater than the third side. So this three condition can come when we are applying this property in this triangle. What can come? This three condition can come. But remember, we don't need this all the three. We need only the one condition. Which condition? Here we are seeing this all are together and this AC and BD is together. So after greater than, we will see AC is there and BD. So from here we will see after greater what we are having? Here AC we are having, here BC and AB. So what we need here? AC we need. So we will write only the one condition, this one only, this AC. And this is our equation number first. Now in triangle, we will take this triangle ACD. So in triangle ACD. So now we will not write all the three conditions. We will understood here. B need this AC after greater than. So when we will add this 2, it will come greater than the third side. So we will write this, that DA plus CD is greater than what? AC. This is our equation number second. Now we have to join this also, BD. So now we will take these two triangles, this one and this one. So we will take BCD. Now in triangle BCD and triangle, which one? BCD and ABD. In triangle ABD. So now see this one BCD. Here what we need? BD need after greater than. So greater than. After greater than what will come? BD will come. After greater than what will come? BD. If it is coming after greater than, what two side is remain? This two. So this will come where? This side. So what will come? BC plus CD is greater than BD. This is our equation number 3. Now see ABD. Now this triangle ABD. Here also after greater than we need this BD. So we will write greater than BD. And this before greater than what we will write? What two side is remain? This AB and DA is remain. So that we will write AB plus DA. So this 4 equation we have got from this 4 triangle. So remember I have explained this rubbing this sides, but you are not you will make the complete figure like this only. But at the side, at the time of the exam, you can make the figure and you can write the triangles from there. Now after doing this one, what we have to do? See, this all together are there. All the sides are left side and this is right side. And here we are saying in between this, what the sign is there? Plus. So what we have to do? We will add this all the equations. Now till here, what we have done? We have applied this property and triangle ABC. So here we have seen already after greater than AC is there. So what we have to do? After greater than AC should come. And what is remaining other two side, that we will write before this greater than sign. This much only you have to remember in this one. If you have remembered this one, only this much, that after greater than AC and BD should come. So it is easy for you to understood also and to find the answer also. Now here we are seeing in between plus sign is there. So what we will do? Adding equation number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will add all this equation. So here you see AB is there. So AB plus BC. Then here what we are having? DA plus CD. And here what we are having? BC plus CD. Then in the last one, what we are having? Plus AB plus DA. Then the greater will come. So remember, first we will add all this 4 equation of left side. Then we will add the after greater than. What will be there? AC plus AC. Here plus BD and here plus BD. Now see, this is AB, this is AB. When we will add 1 plus 1, what will come? 2AB plus this BC, this BC. So BC plus BC, 2BC, CD plus CD. What will come? 2CD, DA plus DA. What will come? 2DA. So this side we have added all the sides. Now we will add after the greater than AC plus AC, 2AC and BD plus BD, 2BD. After this what we are seeing? That 2 is there everywhere. So what we can do? We can take the 2 common. From here also you can take the common 2. What will come? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. And after greater than also, what is there? 2 is there. So what can come? AC and 2 we have taken the common from here also and from here also. So 2 and 2 will be cancel out. So what is remain? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. So this is our solution of this question.